So today we're making chicken katsu. First part of the process, we're taking our chicken breast and slicing it into thin strips. And we set aside to marinate later. Okay, so now we're going to do our marinade. We're using equal parts water, soy sauce, white sugar, and half part garlic. And we'll use a little bit of sesame oil. So just add all of your ingredients to a bowl. Add your minced garlic. Mix thoroughly to dissolve the sugar. We add a little bit of sesame oil. And add your chicken and coat thoroughly. And we'll set this aside for at least 4 hours or overnight to marinate. Coat the chicken. Make sure the flour is in every crevice. Make sure it's well coated. Coat with egg. Then we coat with our breadcrumbs. And set aside. And now we're going to be cooking. We'll let the temperature get up to about 170 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. So you want to put in one piece at a time, not too much, otherwise it'll cool down the oil too much. If the oil's too cool, it's going to shrink the meat. We're cooking this for about 1.5 minutes. You'll know when it's done by the color and the firmness of the meat. Right about there. So just slightly dark here, not too light. And you can tell by the firmness, you know it's cooked well. We're going to slice this later so you can check and verify. Like if you're using frozen pieces, you want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. And then just move on to your next piece.
Now on a plate, you can serve with a ball of rice, some shredded head cabbage, use some katsu sauce, and some salad dressing. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching.